Hello everyone, my name is Khezar Raheem and I'm a student of Masters of Networking in Melbourne Institute of Technology, Sydney. And my student ID is MIT171905. The reason I'm recording this video is because it is actually a semester assignment that we have to do. We have to demonstrate a software or a security tool we've been actually given a list of the software, so we have to select one. And uh, just before going to the demonstration, I would like to let you know that a bit about my background. I've studied IT before as well in my bachelor's from Pakistan, and it's my first semester over here. It's kind of like good institute. They have got good method of teaching as well. Um, so the course that we are studying right now, on the behalf of which we've been given this assignment is MN502, and so the topic that I've selected for the demonstration is actually the software is called Nessus. So the Nessus is actually what you call vulnerability scanning tool. So it is. I'll let you know about all of the stuff about it. Um, so I've prepared this small presentation kind of thing as well. If you just have a look. So that's it. That is my student ID, and then what we're gonna have in this presentation, it is I'm gonna let you know about the introduction, like what is Nessus. Then we're gonna have a little bit of elaboration about the downloading of the software and then the installation of it. After that, we have tasks, what this software can perform, and the usability of this software. So, bit about Nessus is Nessus is a remote security scanning tool which scans computers, and it actually raises an alert if it discovers any vulnerability. So it is actually a vulnerability software that gives you alerts, and which makes you aware of the malicious hackers and how they can gain the access over your computer or your network. So first of all, by the time you go and so this is the website where you can download it, and I've already downloaded like two of these over here. One is with 64-bit, one is of 32. If your Windows is 32-bit, so you can just download that one, and otherwise if it is 64, you can download that. So before that, when you download it, when you download the software, so what happens, they ask you for the registration and all that stuff. So you have to give your email ID over there. It shouldn't be a Gmail or the Yahoo one. It should be of your college as well. It can be of your workplace as well. So what you need is Nessus Professional that you have to download, and in the next step I've got this. So here they ask you for the registration, and once you register and they'll send you activation key at the same time. So this is the email where I've got the activation key. So you use this activation key. This is for free for the students. It's a good software to learn and to use in your field to get aware of the stuff. So after that, it takes a bit time. It's kind of lengthy process, so that's why I've already downloaded and installed the whole thing. So it downloads and then it initializes the system. It takes a bit time, and then this is the interface that we have. So I've taken the screenshot over here, and I'll show you the basic interface of the software over here as well. So what we have, it's actually because I've already told you it is working on the local host at the moment, and because it's a like local server where you run it. So the main things for this software is like the task that can be carried out on this is a bad log detection. So this is over here what we have bit written about the bad log detection is bad log is a critical security bug. So you can get aware of that by using the simple techniques and the simple rules which are used in Nessus. And we have a basic network scan as well, so it can let you know about the malicious attacks or anything. So then we have bash shell shock detection that may actually deals with Linux. So because we are doing it in Windows, so we don't have any like much to do about that thing. And then we have drown detection. It is regarding the network. And so what we have done over here, so basic network scan, you can just go click on that, and it takes a bit time. So but we still have time. So over here, what you're gonna do is my scan, because I've already in demo I was practicing the software, so I have made my scan 1. So I'm gonna name it my scan 2. Then in the description you don't need anything, and basic it's so you can type over here. It is actually required, so this is a requirement, so you have to write anything. So for the test, they've already told you can write test.com as well, and this is where your scan is gonna be, so you can save it. So once you save it, see, these are the things that I've already done. And once you save it, it goes into your my scans. Then you can launch it from here, and after launching it will give you a report about that stuff. And if we go back on my scans, see, it is on demand and it is working at the moment. And if you want to check like bad log detection, you can do it from here. And we have drown detection as well that I've already mentioned. And this is like advanced scan for your system, and just to get to know about all the stuff. So this is the like main working of the software is like it is actually, it tells you. So sorry to mention that before, we have web applications as well, so you can just go and give the what you call you can give the website address, and they're gonna let you know about the vulnerabilities of this website as well. So it is actually, all in all, it has too many things involved in it. So it is a very beautiful, beautifully designed and coded software to get to know about your networks and all that stuff. And lastly, we've got the usability. So it is used widely, and the configuration. So for the vulnerabilities and configuration, it is widely used across the globe, and it prevents the attacks. I've already mentioned that, which is on your systems and which is through your networks, on your networks. Then we have Nessus is a great tool. So domains free to ease vulnerability, easy vulnerability that hackers and viruses commonly look to exploit, which are in your system actually. And Nessus could be used to scan for viruses, malware, backdoors, and hosts communicating with botnet infected systems. So this was pretty much about the software. So we can, as we are running out of time, so it's already been like I have to take a video of like just 5 minutes, but it took already like 9 minutes. So this is the basic understanding that we can have about the software. So it was actually an overview and the demo of the software. You can go try it. It is a good software, and yeah, that's pretty much we can say about it. Like when it comes to scanning of malwares, attacks which are carried out on your networks to your systems. So I would prefer to use that, other than like I've tried to do the other softwares as well, but it is easy to download, it is easy to register, it is easy to configure, it is easy to use. So I would definitely prefer this software for your stuff. So for learning purposes as well. Like I've learned about this, so, and I would wish everyone best of luck with the software, and you are very good in life. So this is all from my side. It's time to sign off from Khezar Raheem. I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.